Welcome back to the Bass Garage. Today, I'll do a little review or just kind of talk about some new lug nuts I got for the 97 on the Civic hatchback. Now, this isn't sponsored or nothing by this company. It's just something that I wanted to do, and maybe it helps somebody out, you know, when they're trying to figure out what lugs to get or if these are any good. So let's get to it. So here's the Gorilla brand automotive products wheel installation kit. So let's see how this. Let's see what all is in here. So we got the. I think we got 20 lugs here. And of course, we're not going to need all those because we only have 4 lugs per wheel. And it looks like they got lug nut key replacement ID, so if you need a replacement, that's pretty nice. And then looks like we have lug nut tool. It's pretty heavy. Most of these are pretty much standard, the same as in quality, you know. And really, one thing a lot of people don't understand, you don't put impacts on these. You're going to crack the socket. You're going to tear up the chrome on the, or even the black paint, or you know, whatever you have, and the ones that you get. But you're just going to destroy the lug nuts. They're not designed. They're designed to be torqued down with a torque wrench. You know, we have Google for a reason. You can Google and see what the torque's supposed to be. It's pretty straightforward. All right, what we're going to do here is we're going to open this up. And we're going to check these out, and then we may go ahead and install these, show you how to install these the proper way. All right, guys, I got these lugs just put on there by finger. And then what I do is just take the socket, slide it up on there, you know, just do it. I mean, you could use a ratchet or something, but I mainly just do it by hand. Oh, you're not tearing nothing up or what have you. And then just screw them on until they stop. All right. Like that. So let me get the rest of them on like that, and then we'll get it down and we'll get them all torqued. All right, guys, welcome back. I have all the wheels on, got all the lug nuts on. They're just finger tight with the lug tool. So now I'm going to lower the car down a little bit, just where the wheels slightly touch. See what we can do here. Yeah. Well, I guess we're gonna lower it all the way down. So what I have here, I have a torque wrench, and the torque for this car is 80 foot-pounds. So I have it set 80 foot-pounds. And they make different, and then this is the lug tool. They make all kinds of different torque wrenches. You can get digital ones, you know, real nice fancy ones, but this is what I got. So we're gonna torque these down. Yep, see, we got a click there. So that tells me we're at 80 pounds. So that's that one there. And we're gonna go over here. You kind of want to go slowly. That one's torqued. That one's torqued. That one's torqued. I'm going to go back and double check this first one. Just something I like to do. Yep, so that one's torqued. So now all 4 of those lugs are torqued to 80 foot-pounds. And we'll do the same back here. 1 torqued. 2 torqued. And you want to go like in a cross pattern too. That way you evenly torque them. 3rd one torqued. I mean, it don't matter if it's 4 lug, 5 lug, 6 lug, 8 lug, whatever. There we go. I'm gonna go back and double check this one. And we are torqued to 80 foot-pounds. All right. I'm sure you guys probably have the idea. I don't think the car's got the parking brake or in gear because it keeps wanting to roll. All right, next one. And we are on the last one here. There we go. We got all 4 of those, and I got one more. We have one more to go. All right. First one torqued. Usually just torque them till my elbow pops, but we're gonna do it the right way. Let's go double check this one. All right, so now we have all 4 wheels torqued. Now, going to put this chrome center cap on this one. So it looks something like that. And put this one over here. And I do have stickers. Well, center cap stickers, I guess, if you want to call them that. I'm just going to set this one in there temporarily so you can kind of have an idea what it's going to look like when it's all. Let's get you in here. Kind of gives you an idea, and you can see the calibers I painted through there. These wheels are going to be painted or powder coated some type of purple at some point. I'm not sure yet when. We also are going to have a cool video coming up with, I'm going to be doing something pretty cool with this hood. You'll be seeing that on a video here probably a week or two. But yeah, I mean, she's painted, wet sanded, buffed. Calipers painted. It's got a new driver's side axle. So basically the next few things is going to be what I'm going to do to the hood. I'm going to get the windows tinted. And hopefully we get some nicer weather here soon. And we can get a video of this bad boy out rolling down the street. I'm not sure if I showed you guys this or not in any of the other videos, but if not, here we go. So once I got done painting, wet sanding, buffing, all that, we put this screen back in here, and then we put this, it's kind of hard to tell, but there's like a purple strip is all the way around here, which I think looks pretty good. And then I put these inserts, which they're like fender bolt inserts. I know they may fade over time, but it is what it is. But these are nice because you drill a hole a little bit bigger than the bolt, center bolt, all the way through. And then there's a nut cert. You drill a little bit bigger than a nut cert through, and it has a tool that actually expands it. So if you want to take that lip off, you just unscrew all those bolts and it comes right off. You don't have to worry about double, especially in the front, it's really important because going in and out of driveways, you don't have to worry about popping the tape loose. It kind of gives it a nice little look. You know, it's something different. Also, let's see, I did it back here too, on the back. So, got those back here. So that kind of adds a little, because we're doing, you know, the gray and a purple. That's what we're going to be doing. That's going to be the color scheme of this car. Yeah. So I mean, we'll see. Time will tell. We'll do another you know, overtime review. See how they hold up to the weather and everything. Again, this car is not going to see snow and salt, but still sitting out in the sun, what have you. And we'll see how the lug tool, how it holds up over time. So that'll probably do it for this video. I appreciate every one of you who subscribe and like my videos and comment. And, you know, we'll have a lot more videos to come. Try to, you know, at minimum do one a week. If not, we're going to get to one, try to do maybe a video every day. But we're working on that, baby steps. But if you like this video, please give a like. Tell me what you think about the lugs, the look of the car, whatever. Yeah, we'll see you on the next video.